Hey everyone, so if you're trying to download your resume as a PDF on Zety, but it's not working, like the file won't download, or it shows an error, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you simple fixes step by step. First, make sure you actually have PDF download access. On Zety, PDF downloads are usually part of the paid plan, so if it's locked, that's not a bug, it's a limitation. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes the download process just freezes, and a quick reload fixes it instantly. Now log out of your account and log back in. This resets your session and can fix temporary download errors. Okay, next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can sometimes stop PDF generation. If it still doesn't work, try another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Some PDF exports work better on different browsers. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools. These can block the PDF generation process. If nothing works, open Zety in incognito mode. This removes cached data and extension conflicts. And finally, it might be a temporary issue from Zety's side. If their servers are busy or down, you'll need to try again later. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve your Zety PDF download error, so you can export your resume without any issues.